Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. Today's video is a tutorial for a Pinterest inspired eye makeup look. I found the inspiration from a photo which is perfect for everyday makeup. It's simple, gorgeous, and super easy to recreate. So if you'd like to try this eye makeup look, make sure to watch the video until the end and let's get started. I use a soft and light pink eyeshadow as the base. Using a fluffy brush, I apply 3 dots of the eyeshadow to my eyelid and blend it out with sweeping motions. Make sure the eyeshadow covers the entire eyelid as well. I absolutely love this soft pink shade. It's really cute and it gives a lovely result to our eyeshadow. I apply the same eyeshadow to the lower lash line. From now on, whenever I apply an eyeshadow to the eyelid, I also apply the same shade to the lower lash line. Next, I use a darker pink eyeshadow and with the same fluffy brush, I apply a very small amount of this eyeshadow to the outer corner of my eyelid to add a touch of depth and a subtle hint of a darker pink shade. This step is optional and you can also use a light purple shade instead of pink. I applied the same eyeshadow to the lower lash line as well. Next, I use a light purple eyeshadow. Following a similar process as before, I apply a small amount of the eyeshadow to the outer corner of my eyelid and blend it well to avoid any harsh lines. Actually, this makeup is very simple and practical. You can also quickly do this makeup if you're in a hurry. Next, I apply a very small amount of dark purple eyeshadow to the outer corner of my eyelid to add a subtle touch of purple. I really love this style of makeup, which is commonly known as Douyin or Chinese style makeup. If you search for Douyin makeup on Pinterest, you will often find glamorous and glittery looks. However, I've discovered that soft and simple makeup looks also fall into this category and can be incredibly captivating. We complete our eye makeup with eyeliner. I usually draw my eyeliner until the middle of my eyelid because it suits the shape of my eyes better. However, you can choose to extend it to beginning of your eyelid according to your preference. Next, I use white glitter. With an eyeliner brush, I draw a glitter line above my eyeliner. It looks very beautiful and sparkling. I absolutely love it. Here is the result of glitter line. I also use false eyelashes and our eye makeup is complete. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and leave your comments below. Also, if you think it would be useful for your friends, feel free to share it with them. If you're interested in makeup and beauty, I upload tutorial videos every week, so subscribe to my channel to not miss out on future videos. I really appreciate your support. See you in the next video. Bye bye.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want.